Hey guys, it's Sydney and welcome back to my spring trend guide. Every Thursday we go over the hottest trends of the season and show easy outfit ideas on how to wear them at home. So make sure to subscribe so you can join my YouTube fam and come along for the ride, because today is quite the ride. We are going on safari. Well, actually, we're talking about utility. When you think of the utility trend, think khaki, army green, safari jackets, army jackets, and the boiler suit. The boiler suit is a huge trend right now. Basically, it's a jumpsuit, usually has a collar. Think J-Lo. I don't know, this always reminds me of a mix between a J-Lo and Top Gun. So to make it chic, it's all about the accessories. If it's colder where you live, you can do a bootie. I did a snakeskin bootie. Remember, the other week was all about animal prints. And if it's warmer, you can always do a sandal. If you're not a jumpsuit girl, you could do a utility dress. I did a shirt dress because there's so many ways to wear it. So one is as a shirt dress. I feel like this is great if you're going on vacation. You can wear it with sneakers, or you can even wear it to the office with pumps, or you could just do it with a pair of sandals. Now, when you unbutton the dress, you can tie it behind and just wear it over a camisole and jeans. And that turns it into a lightweight jacket, which is great as you transition into summer. If you don't like longer jackets, you can throw on a crop jacket like this safari jacket. What I really liked about this one is it nips at the waist, so it has some drawstring. Since I'm on the more petite side, I like when something nips at my waist to show off my figure. But you could also do an army jacket if you have one in your closet. I have one that I absolutely love, so I would wear this with the exact same outfit. Another way I like wearing safari jackets and army jackets is over little dresses. So I just did a denim shirt dress, belted my waist. You can throw on sneakers, you could do sandals, you can do espadrilles, so many options with this outfit. Another way to do the utility trend is with cargo pants. So there's lots of different ways you can do it. You can do a baggier pant, you can do cargo style with a skinny jean and a cargo pocket. I went with a roomier pant. My favorite part about cargo pants are the big pockets. I think they're so perfect for travel. You can have easy access to your phone. So I hope you guys liked today's trend guide on the utility trend. I'd love to see how you are wearing it at home. So throughout the series, we use the hashtag #SSTrendGuide. So when you upload a photo to Insta, tag me at Sydney Summer and @SSTrendGuide. And every week I feature my Trend Girl of the Week over on my Insta stories and my weekly newsletter. If you want to see more outfit ideas, you can head over to my blog, Sydney Style, and don't forget to subscribe because there's a new video every Thursday. Bye guys, and action. The action. Okay, let's start again. Roll it back, Dalton. Roll it back.
And go.
Hair. Ugh. I'm hungry.